So we just went over all the different elements that Nearpod offers. They're all listed here for you. So in order to play with them, you just have to start clicking on them. So if I want to make a collaboration board, I will click collaboration board. This will open up. So you'll enter your topic and whatever you want people to answer using the collaboration board. After you do that and you scroll down, they have a bunch of different styles that you can choose from. And all you have to do then is hit save. And it will create a slide after the slide you were already living on. So my original slide is still there and then it appears later. You can't play with this because you're not in Nearpod yet, but you can still edit it by clicking this edit sign. Another really fun one that a lot of people use is this open-ended question. So if you click that, it brings you to a similar screen. This one has a few more options. So you would type in your question here. And then you can set a timer so that students only have a certain amount of time. You can upload an image and you can enable students record their answers instead of type them out. And then you just save it and it will again appear as the next slide to the one that you're already existing on. And there it is. Quiz allows you to create multiple choice questions. So you would type your question here, and then if you scroll down, you can enter in as many options as you want, and then you click the one that is correct, and then you hit save. So that way it will also score students in real time, and you can also time them on this activity as well. Poll acts in a very similar way. So again, you would type your poll question, and then you can add as many answers as you want. You can add a timer, you can add an image, you can add students, you can let students select more than one for a poll. Another really interactive one is Time to Climb. It's really fun for review and playing games with students. So essentially what you do is you would enter in a bunch of questions that students would have to answer. And then when students answer the questions, they get to choose little characters that climb up a mountain, which is really fun. Kids love that one. You can also embed videos, web content, or PDFs. And the way you do that is if you click on video. The easiest way to do it is from YouTube, or if you have a video on your computer. So if you're uploading from YouTube, you would just click the YouTube tab and paste the link here. And then it will embed the video in the PowerPoint and students can watch it at their own pace. You can also upload a video from your computer. If you want to embed a PDF, let me just find it. Here it is. You can drop and drag your PDF from your computer here, and students will be able to not just view it, but highlight and write on it. Another really fun one that students love is the Draw It feature. So if you click on Draw It, okay. Again, you can upload a video here or an image, and then you would type your instructions here. You can add a fun background for students if you want them to draw on something. You can add a timer, and then again, you would just click Save. I think there's also fill in the blanks. Okay, you can choose a style that you like. You would drop and drag it, and then you would type in whatever it is you want students to fill in the blanks for. And same thing when you're done, you would scroll down and hit next. And then you can give them a word bank on the right and they would drop and drag to fill in the blank. Matching pair is another fun one. There's a memory test and a few other examples of things that you can do. They do a pretty good job of guiding you through it. Here you can just dump a website right in here and then hit save. And when students come to that page of your Nearpod, they're able to connect with the website.